Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you recipe of watermelon peel that generally after eating watermelon people throw these watermelon peels. Now let's start the video. Take one piece from the watermelon peel and now start removing the skin. Do it carefully because the skin is little bit hard. You can cut it into small pieces and remove the green skin. After that remove the red part if there is any from inside, and we need like that type of clean piece. Put it in a plate. Do the same with the other part. Remove the red part. Once you get the clean piece like so, now cut it into small pieces and again into very small slices like I'm showing you here, and this is how the pieces looks like. Once I will cut all those pieces I will show you. So here I have finished cutting all the watermelon pieces. We need like that type of dice pieces. Now move on to next step. Take a kadhai or pan, add approximately 1 liter of water. After that add the diced watermelon pieces. Stir it. Make sure the heat is on medium to low flame, and now cover it, and we have to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you have seen the pieces became transparent as I am showing you here. At this point switch off the gas and drain the water using the strainer, and this is how the pieces looks like after you drain the water. Throw the water and let it rest for about 10-5 minutes. After that add 1 cup of sugar in a pan, add approximately 1.5 cup of water. Let the sugar melt. Once the sugar melts and came to one boil, add these boiled watermelon pieces in it. Do it carefully. Make sure the heat is on medium flame at this point, and now stir it and cover it, and again we have to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep on stirring in between. After 15 minutes you will notice the sugar syrup is half in quantity and the watermelon pieces became more transparent. Switch off the gas. And now take 4 different bowls and divide these pieces equally or according to your choice. After that I am using orange food color. Mix it in one of the bowl that we have divided the watermelon pieces. Soak it properly. Next is yellow color. You can use any color of your choice, and any type of color you can use here. The green color and the red color. After mixing that, let it rest for about 10-15 minutes, then I will show you. It's been 15 minutes. The watermelon pieces soaked in the sugar syrup. Now remove these pieces using strainer as I'm showing you here. I'll show you the closer view. After removing the pieces, just slightly press it with the spoon to remove the excess syrup. Now take a plate. Spread these pieces evenly. You can use different plates to spread the different color watermelon pieces. Now strain all the colored watermelon pieces using the strainer. Make sure there is no juice left. After that spread it evenly, and now let it air dry for about 6 to 7 hours, and then I will show you. And this is the syrup. Most of you have questions what we are going to do. You can use to make popsicles, and you can use these syrup in different recipes. After 7 hours you have seen the tutti fruities are properly ready, and it's each and every piece is properly dried as you have seen here. I will show you all the different colors so that you have an idea how properly they are dried. You can use these tutti fruities in different desserts and ice creams, and you can store these in an airtight container in the refrigerator for about 1 month. And if you want to store it more, you have to store it in the freezer. You can store in the freezer for up to 6 months. And if you like this simple recipe of homemade tutti frutti, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.